Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning seashell craft ideas. These are very amazing and very beautiful craft ideas for you guys. I hope so guys you like these seashell craft ideas. If you want different other craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel. Thank you for supporting my channel guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very beautiful and very amazing seashell craft ideas for you guys. Follow for more details. So viewers, these are very pretty, very amazing and very unique seashell craft ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these craft work. You can make these craft work at home very easily, and you also watch tutorials on YouTube how to make these type of seashell craft ideas at home. These are very incredible and very beautiful. You can decorate your homes with these seashell crafts. So viewers, thank you for watching my videos, and if you want different kind of videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel. These are most amazing and super unique seashell craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, always think positive, always be positive. These are very pretty, amazing and very unique seashell craft ideas for you guys. These are very amazing and very stunning seashell craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, always think positive, always be positive. These are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys, and you want different other craft work, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. These are very amazing, unique and very classy ideas for you guys, and you make these craft work with seashells, You can purchase these seashells from different websites, from different apps. So guys, always take care, and these are the most amazing and most unique seashell craft ideas for you guys. And I hope so you like these videos, and I love this craft work. That's why I will share with you all through my videos. So if you are new on my channel, and if you are new member of our family, then subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications about my channel. And I hope so you enjoyed this video. So take care of yourself, always think positive, always be positive. Allah Hafiz guys.